Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fish in Kingshot. Here's how you can fish in Kingshot. Fishing is part of a monthly event that typically occurs every 30 days. The exact dates may vary. When the event is active, you can access it from the events menu in the top right corner, where it will be labeled as a fishing tournament. During the event, you'll find features like the Ice Fishing Club, leaderboards, and options to upgrade your kit with better hooks, lines, and sinkers, depending on your strategy. While fishing, simply target the fish you want and avoid those you don't, using your kit to maximize rewards. To get the most out of the event, check your daily progress, aim for higher rankings on the leaderboard, and participate consistently throughout the week. By doing so, you can earn exclusive rewards, leaderboard prizes, and upgrading fishing gear, which not only enhances your fishing experience but also gives your kingdom additional advantages and king shot. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.